Next point from the topic work and energy, expression for kinetic energy. Expression for kinetic energy. So students, what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, this is the energy is possessed by body due to its motion. एखादी वस्तू जर मोशनमध्ये असेल त्यावेळेस त्या वस्तूमध्ये जी एनर्जी असते त्या एनर्जीला आपण कायनेटिक एनर्जी म्हणतो. सो द एनर्जी ड्यू टू द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट this is known as kinetic energy. So we are here deriving the expression for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of an applied force. Let u be its initial velocity. Here u is equal to 0. Let the applied force be F. This generates an acceleration a in the object. After time t, the velocity of the object becomes equals to v. The displacement during this time is s. The work done on the object given by w is equal to f into s. So students, what is given here? Suppose an object is there which is stationary initially. So this is an object which is stationary having mass m. As it is stationary, so its initial velocity is 0 meter per second. As we applied force on this object F on this object, so that it start to move, and after certain time its final velocity becomes v, so that this applied force develops acceleration in this object which is a, and during time t the object covers a distance s. So we know that work done by an object is w is equal to f into s. So w is equal to force into displacement of an object according to the Newton's second law of motion. In this formula we have to put the values for f and s. So for this we are using the Newton's second law of motion as well as Newton's second equation of motion. So here, according to the Newton's second law of motion, f is equal to m into a. We are having value of f, m into a, and due to Newton's second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. As u is equal to 0, so ut becomes 0 here. S is equal to 0 plus half at square. Now we get s is equal to half at square. Now putting this value f is equal to ma and s is equal to half at square in the equation f into s. So by putting the value of f ma and for s half at square, so the equation becomes w is equal to ma into half at square using equation 1 and 2. Now students, w is equal to half m as a square and t square. So we are writing here at whole square. Now using Newton's first equation of motion, we can get the value for at square also. So v is equal to u plus at. This is Newton's first equation of motion, as u is equal to 0 a into t. By squaring both sides, we get v square is equal to at whole square. So w is equal to at whole square. For this at whole square, we can write v square in the equation 3. So by replacing at whole square by v square, we get w is equal to half mv square using equation 3 and 4. Now the kinetic energy gained by an object is the amount of work done on the object. त्या ऑब्जेक्टवरती फोर्स अप्लाय केल्यामुळे जो काही वर्क डन परफॉर्म झालेला आहे, इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कायनेटिक एनर्जी. म्हणजे त्या ऑब्जेक्टमध्ये आपण मोशन डेव्हलप केलेले, कायनेटिक एनर्जी क्रिएट केलेली आहे. सो दॅट कायनेटिक एनर्जी gained by an object is nothing but the work done, amount of work done on that object. So w is equal to, we are having value half mv square. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So expression for kinetic energy or formula for kinetic energy is equal to half m into v square. Here m is mass of an object, while v is the velocity of an object. So student, we have completed this point here. Then next point, potential energy, we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.